Hello, this is Gare, and we have the PS4 Portal disassembled here because I am testing the audio section and volume control section. Because in the previous videos I did not give this a proper test because the controller board had died, so I couldn't hook it up. No, still no wireless display adapter. I'll have to take care of that when I get to it. I will likely order a new wireless display adapter in the fall. And probably another controller because it's hard to get just the motherboard out of these controllers. And right now we're just going to test the audio section. So you can't see the buttons. This is not going to turn back on. I'll fix this by turning it off and on. The speakers actually get really loud. Hang on, I'm just gotta reconnect the wire. Just gonna turn this off now. Thank you for watching this unnecessarily long video about the PS4 Portal's audio section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on social media and support me by buying from my stores. Please buy from our stores. We really need it now. Links are in the link tree. Goodbye.